I got nothing. I got nothing. You know, Mother Truckers told me to watch this video, and I did, and I literally have nothing. I have no clue what he was trying to accomplish by doing this.
Perfect.
I've had so many truck drivers send me links to this, and the first thing I want you to do is go follow Chad RWB on social media. I'll have his links in the screen and down below, because this PSA right here, after watching this, I'd have to say is, do not do this when you're trying to make a U-turn. But second to that, I'm trying to think like, what was in the driver's brain when doing this? You know, Mother Truckers, please help me with this. Comment down below. If you were to give a PSA for this video and caption this video, what on earth is going on? I have no clue. You know, I'm trying to figure out why he would want to do a U-turn and face in. He already drove in and then found a way to loop out. So why would he want to U-turn back in? It's extremely confusing, and I have actually, you know, I don't know. Mother Truckers, tell me what the PSA for this is. The only thing I do know is that I am more confused every time I watch this video. This is definitely... I got nothing. I got nothing. You know, Mother Truckers told me to watch this video, and I did, and I literally have nothing. I have no clue what he was trying to accomplish by doing this. You know, if you guys can let me know, then comment that down below. The only thing that is sure, that it is 1,000% sure, is whatever he's doing, don't do that. Mother Truckers, comment down below. Please follow Chad RWB. You know, he's looking for some love on his social medias. This is his first video, and he's knocking it out of the park. Again, Chad, we need you on the show. Definitely not sure what's going on.